Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how I customize my home screen on my Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. This is my Android home screen and I would like to add some information, application and widgets to this home screen. And first of all, I like to get weather information from my home screen, so I'm gonna add weather widget. If we want to add widget, we just need to tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen, and here we have just like the widget. Then you can scroll down until you find the weather, this one. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this weather and clock widget, so we can click on the widget and click on add. Okay, and now the weather widget has been added to my home screen. And the second one, I want to get quick access to Google applications, so I'm going to add the Google search bar to my home screen. We can do the same step I have told you before. Tap and hold on the home screen and select widget, and I'm going to click on the Google widget. Okay, and this is the Google search bar. I'm going to add this Google search bar to my home screen. Okay, and after that, I want to add some application to this home screen. Some import apps will be better. Here I have added some application to my home screen, and I'm going to add more. We can go to our app screen. And for instance, I'm going to add the Google application. So I'm going to click and hold on the Google. Then we can add to home. And I'm going to place it right here. Oops, sorry guys. I'm going to drag it to this part. Okay, and I'm going to add my Instagram application as well. Okay, Instagram and Telegram will be better. I'm going to add a Telegram application. Okay, this one. This is my Telegram. Add to home. And the last one, I'm going to add my WhatsApp application. WhatsApp, this one. Okay, and I think it's perfect. And now it's done. This is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how I customize my home screen on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.